iPhone 16 Pro models, Apple might feature tetraprism telephoto lenses on both. Rumors have begun swirling around as 2024 inches closer, the year when tech giant Apple will blow the cloak off its much-hyped iPhone 16 series. As per information reports, Apple is likely to offer tetraprism telephoto lenses with the Pro models of the series, the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Back in September, Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo made the same claims about the availability of tetraprism lenses. Apple is likely to make the iPhone 16 Pro bigger overall, and the screens for the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max will be around 6.3 inches and 6.9 inches respectively. This gives more space for a new type of telephoto camera called tetraprism. They also mentioned that the design of the camera in the iPhone 16 Pro looks a lot like the one in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can easily spot the area with the tetraprism parts. In the iPhone 15 Pro Max, there's already a tetraprism telephoto camera. It uses a special design with folded glass that reflects light multiple times, allowing for better zooming up to 5 times, compared to the 3 times on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. In 2023, the iPhone 15 Pro was released without the new and improved tetraprism telephoto camera, likely due to spatial constraints. The components necessary for the tetraprism camera occupy significantly more space than the telephoto camera currently found on the iPhone 15 Pro, proving an uneven fit for the devices with a 6.1 inches display. This validates that the Pro variants of the iPhone 16 series will gather more acclaim for accommodating spacious room for the high-end lenses, and as an outcome will stand as winners compared to the iPhone 15 Pro models. Note that the iPhone 16 Pro is still a long way off, and things might change before it's actually released.